Hello everybody. In this video, this is another archive video that I found in amongst my collection, and it's from back in the early 2000s, back in the day. You'll notice that from a lot of the cars that are in there, because included in it, in just a very quick scan past, is my old 1990 Vauxhall Cavalier SRi 130 Mark III. But yeah, just have a look. This is just a meet I went to down in the West Country back in those days, and me being me, I took a VHS video camera with me to film some of it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let us know by hitting a like and subscribe below, and let us know what you thought was best about it. Brilliant. Thank you guys.
You can have this one now.
Yeah, you get another gearbox. Okay.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it and looking back on it. If you did, then let us know by hitting a like and subscribe below this video, and don't forget to catch us on the other social media platforms we're on. If you just search hashtag wolfkiffworkshop, it should bring up everything that we're a part of. But yeah, stay tuned and we will keep the car content coming, and I hope you enjoyed. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.